Yo, we're gonna be doing a quick little video unboxing the GMS Griffin Motorsports supercharger lid for the LT4 platform. I'm pretty sure this is the newest lid on the market for my Camaro over there. Haven't seen any videos on it, so we'll get it put on, get a little review, and check this thing out. Boy, it's hot right now, but I'm gonna open. Looking forward to seeing what this thing does. So came with some ARP bolts. Luckily they were able to hook me up with these. I got them for free, but these will run about another 80, and then the lid itself was about almost 900. So here's the back side of it. As you can see, it's got a lot more grooves and just these engravings in the back side just to help with the airflow, and the supercharger just help it smooth out. It's also a little bit bigger than the stock one as well. It's a little thicker, so we're getting more air in there, smoother as well. And it reuses the OEM gasket. I should have bought another one, you can, but I'm just gonna reuse the OEM one. All right, let's bust this thing down. Super simple. What I'm gonna do is just pop all these bolts off the top here, and then remove the supercharger lid. Pretty straightforward. So I'm gonna go ahead and knock that out. And again, here's a side-by-side comparison. This thing is almost about the same length, but you can tell, kind of. Oh, never mind. It's actually slightly shorter. Here's the stock supercharger lid. See, just kind of just rough, not very polished surface, not flat. So my supercharger was put together. And then this one, like I said, it has those smooth surfaces. Just kind of channel the air, split it in between each side. So hopefully the whine's a bit louder, but we shall see. Yeah, so crisis averted. I was able to get the gasket, the OEM gasket, to fit. Originally, it was a lot of slack in it. So what I did was just quick Google search, just throw it in the freezer for about 50 minutes. And then when you're putting this thing in, start from the top edges. So start feed it into each corner. And then after the corners, hit the mid sections. And then feed it from there. And it should fit well, but yeah, now I can put this bad boy back on. All in all, not too bad of an install. It's good. About to go do a couple pulls, see how she sounds.